Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I will explain you why sometimes you see the message waiting for the message. This may take a while in WhatsApp instead of actual message, as you can see guys in my screen. So when you send a message in WhatsApp, it is end-to-end encrypted. This means only you and the receiver can read it. But if you see waiting for the message, it means WhatsApp is unable to decrypt the message at the moment. You need to know the common reason about this. If the other person has blocked you on WhatsApp, so the WhatsApp show the message instead of text. Okay. If the receiver has deleted their WhatsApp account, the message cannot be delivered or decrypted. This is the second reason. So the third reason is this guys, sometimes due to network or WhatsApp server problem, the message does not decrypt immediately, but this is usually temporary. Wait for a few minutes and it will fix your problem. In case the version of your WhatsApp is outdated, you need to update the app. Open the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, open the App Store. Just simply here you need to search WhatsApp. Okay, and if the app update is available, just simply go ahead, update the app. After updating the app, if you are seeing the same error message, so first check the message status. If you see only one tick, it means the message was not delivered. Try calling the person. If the call does not go through, they might have deleted their account or blocked you. Okay, so wait for a day or 2 days. It still shows the same message, blocking or account deletion is likely possible. So one important note, be careful. If you send money to someone and now their message show waiting for this message, be alert. It can be a sign of a scam. Always check your UPI transaction status separately from your bank account app. This was the simple explanation of why waiting for this message appear in WhatsApp. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video. Thank you very much.